In this video, let's take a look at how to add H5P content to your course page. First, go to your course page and turn editing on. Then scroll down to the section where you'd like to add the H5P activity and choose Add an activity or resource within that section. Don't worry, you can always move it later if needed. In the activity menu, select H5P. On this page, I'll give my item a name as it will appear in my course. I'll scroll down to the package file area, and here I will choose the Add a File button to open the file picker window. I have a few options on where to draw my H5P content from. If I already have an H5P file downloaded onto my device, I can simply select it here to add to the course by selecting Upload a File on the left-hand side, and underneath where it says Attachment, I can choose Choose File and select the file I wish to upload. Within this same file picker window, I also have the option to select H5P content from within my content bank. In this case, I would choose Content Bank from the menu on the left-hand side. Here I will see all of my H5P content saved within the content bank in Moodle. I simply select the item I wish to add and select that file. Scroll to the bottom and save changes. I can now see the H5P activity added to the course page.